In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an accountant or bookkeeper to Zoho Books. If you want someone like an accountant or a bookkeeper to help manage your financial records inside Zoho Books, the platform makes it easy to invite them with the right access. This is helpful when you want another person to review transactions, organize your books, or assist with reporting without having to share your own login details. To begin, open your Zoho Books account and make sure you are signed in. Once you are inside the main dashboard, take a moment to confirm that you are in the correct organization or company account, especially if you manage more than one. This helps avoid sending the invitation from the wrong business profile. Next, look toward the top area of the screen and click the gear icon. This is where Zoho Books keeps the main settings and administrative options. When you open this section, you will see different settings related to your account, users, preferences, and other configuration tools. From there, click on Users. This will take you to the section where you can manage the people who have access to your Zoho Books account. In this area, you may already see existing users if other team members have been added before. This is also where you can control invitations and user roles. Now, click Invite Accountant. Zoho Books provides this option specifically for bringing in an accountant or bookkeeper, which can make collaboration more streamlined. Using this feature is usually better than sharing access informally because it keeps everything secure and easier to manage later. After that, enter the person's name and email address in the required fields. Make sure the email address is entered correctly, since this is where the invitation will be sent. If there is a typo, the accountant or bookkeeper may not receive the invite, so it is worth double-checking before moving on. Once the information is entered, click Save. After you save, Zoho Books will send the invitation so the accountant or bookkeeper can access the account according to the permissions associated with that invitation. At that point, they will typically need to accept the invite from their email before they can begin working inside your books. And that's it. That is how to add an accountant or bookkeeper to Zoho Books. It's a quick process, but it can make a big difference when you want professional help managing your financial data in a secure and organized way.